ASTS had quite a volatile session yesterday, the 7th of November 2025, given this intraday low of $61.89 that it printed. Well, it went on to close with a gain of 5.99% and added a further 1.46% in the post market session. Of course, you probably know that the company is going to disclose its earnings outcomes by Monday the 10th, at the close of the session, at the close of that trading session, and expects revenue to surge by 1,711.8%, hitting $19.93 million for the period ending September 30. Okay, so but it doesn't mean that it's going to be a profit for, and it's not, it doesn't mean that it's going to be a profit on its EPS. So it expects to post a loss of 22 cents a share. Okay, so also the company you can see down here, and Vodafone, they plan to launch up to 60 satellites by 2026 to improve mobile connectivity in underserved areas, with a control center in Germany for their joint venture Satco. Okay, so yeah, the stock has been contracting. The expansion that I would say, well, this expansion that began sometime in early September, it's actually contracting that now. Yeah, and the 40-day moving average served as a primary demand line yesterday, the 7th. We'll see whether it's going to do so by Monday. Yeah, the extrapolation is saying that it will do so. So some strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 11th, probably expecting that the earnings outcomes will be positive. We'll see what we have on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so let's see now. But after that, it's yeah, a brief reflective or reflexive reaction may play out. Yeah, or what, after that, the downtrend may resume, but there might be a reflexive bounce that may be rejected. And this the extrapolation of this 40-day moving average is providing a ceiling. It's saying that yeah, there might be some expansion, but we don't think it's going to be or go beyond the space. We expect that it's going to trade within here. This extrapolation is saying that it expects the stock to trade within these confines. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes, but it's extrapolating that from early December. There might be an attempt, but nothing to retest these highs. The high of even, let's see now, 80.25, 80.25. The probability of that happening is not high at all, quite slim. Based on its 10 period moving average, it's slim, but based on its 21 period moving average, the second value, it looks quite handy, close to 30%. Yeah. Oh no, actually, matter of fact, actually more than 50%. If you want to use that moving average. But if you want to find an average of, if you want to find the average of the two moving averages, then it will be less than 50%, but quite decent. You know. So let's see what we have. Okay, as things stand right now, the positions opened 10 days ago are not in profit. Even the ones opened 21 days ago, they're not in profit. But let's have a look at the 4-hour chart to see what the extrapolation is saying. Because, yeah, let's see. It's saying, yeah, it doesn't, I don't think it's nothing to the upside. It's saying that it's just going to hold this trend up till the pre market session. And then after that, a downtrend may ensue. Let's see now. Nothing. It's not. Doesn't. Not expecting anything positive from the earnings outcomes. So there seemed to be, yeah, a divergence from what we have on this 4-hour chart, and what we have on a daily chart. But there's a world where they can still align. There's a world where they can still align. Projections here are saying 74.13, 76.84, 78.52. These were in place as of Thursday the 6th. Thursday the 6th. Yeah. Okay, let's return again to the daily chart and see what the momentum was saying with regard to, yeah, the strength. Yeah. Okay, so here you can see it's saying that to Monday the 10th and then Tuesday the 11th, strength will be there, but not. It's You can see the forecast of its momentum is not positive at all. It's not suggesting that that will be the case. So yeah, that's doubtful. Yeah, that's doubtful. I think our best bet will be this extrapolation on the 4 hour chart. Yeah, to be on the safe side too. Yeah, yeah, to be on the safe side. So it's saying here, it's projecting that nothing is not the stock is not going to go beyond this it's a 40-day moving average. That's placing a lead on the stock. So it just gives you suggests that there might be opportunities from its options if it's optionable. If it's optionable, there might be opportunities there, given that it's expected to trade within a tight range. Okay, unfortunately, it's not option. It is optionable. Yeah, it might provide some opportunities to trade some strategies. Yeah, it might provide some opportunities to trade some strategies, some out of money strategies. So here we have it's saying here we have okay. So it will be towards the 14th of November. So we have here what's the price we have here 74.11. It doesn't expect it to go beyond let's just say $75. Do we have anything like that? Let's see. Doesn't go expect it to go beyond $75. Yeah, let's see. From cent five, they're out of money. So all of these ones here, yeah, the odds of the stock printing, retesting the highs of $88, maybe not, maybe based on what we have. So something can come up here. But this is not a recommendation. One can sell. Let's see now. You can sell an 88 call and buy an 87 an 97 call. It's a sell an 88 call and buy sell an 88 call and buy an 87 call as well. So you keep the spread. That will be $1 and $1.50. What's that again? $1.68, I think. $1.68. Is that it? $1? Yeah, $1.68. Well, $1.68. Yeah, you keep that for every contract. Yeah, for every contract. If you want to do 10 contracts, then it should be $16.78. So, but this is not a recommendation at all. This is not a recommendation. It's just this is what you get from having having this interaction. It gives you an idea because if you did this alone, if you just do the extrapolation of the 10 period moving out, the 3 day moving average, you won't be able to see this cap. So this gives you an impression of what is speculated, what is extrapolated. So these are just extrapolations. You know, it's not there's no certainty in them, and there's if you try the strategy I just mentioned now concerning the options, you may lose money. So just be very careful. Just be careful. Just be careful. I'm not recommending that you do so. This is for if you like educational purposes. So let's see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.